Finding the right toolbox wrench organizer can make all the difference in keeping your workspace neat and efficient. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, having an organized tool set saves time and boosts productivity. In this video, we'll explore the best toolbox wrench organizers, highlighting top picks that ensure your wrenches stay accessible and secure. Let's dive in. The ERNST Manufacturing 5060 Red 16 Tool Standard Wrench Organizer is, in our opinion, one of the best solutions for organizing wrenches, particularly for automotive professionals or home garage enthusiasts. This organizer offers efficient storage, designed to securely hold a standard set of 16 wrenches. It measures 12.3 inches in length, 7.5 inches in width, and 1.5 inches in height, providing just the right amount of space to keep your tools neatly arranged and easy to access. The solid plastic construction is fuel and solvent resistant, making it durable and ideal for tough work environment. It's lightweight at just 0.3 pounds, which means it's easy to carry and install. Plus, the versatile mounting options allow you to attach it with either double-sided or magnetic tape, providing flexibility in your workspace organization. This wrench organizer is a must-have addition to any toolbox or garage setup, offering both functionality and style. With its bright red color, it's easy to spot, helping you stay organized without the hassle. The ERNST Manufacturing 5060 Red is a great product for anyone looking to improve their tool storage and workspace efficiency. It gets a definite thumbs up for its solid performance and practicality. If you're looking for a solid tool organizer that offers great value and efficiency, the GEARWRENCH 2-piece reversible wrench rack is a standout choice. This versatile wrench rack is designed to hold up to 16 wrenches, with spaces optimized for both SAE and metric sizes up to 1 inch or 25 millimeters. Its self-aligning reversible side rails allow for quick and easy wrench organization, ensuring that each tool faces forward for fast size identification. The design is smart and space-saving, with the racks allowing you to fit more wrenches into your toolbox by saving up to 30% more space. The reinforced plastic composite material ensures durability without being too bulky, and it's lightweight enough for easy handling. Plus, the included color-coded rails help you keep your SAE and metric wrenches distinct. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the GEARWRENCH wrench rack is a must-have for keeping your tools organized and easily accessible. It's an investment that improves workspace efficiency while maintaining excellent value for the price. Overall, it's a practical, high-quality addition to any garage or tool set. If you're in the market for a space-saving solution for your toolbox, the SATA 13-piece reversible wrench rack is an excellent choice. This rack set includes 2 racks, each holding up to 13 wrenches, and is designed to fit both SAE and metric sizes up to 1 inch. The reversible side rails allow your wrenches to always face forward, making size identification a breeze. One of the standout features of this wrench rack is its compact design, which saves up to 30% more space compared to traditional storage options. The racks are made from durable polycarbonate, ensuring that they can withstand the rigors of a busy workshop. The self-aligning drop-in feature also makes it incredibly easy to organize and access your tools quickly, so you never waste time searching for the right wrench. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the SATA 13-piece reversible wrench rack provides a reliable and efficient way to store your wrenches. The rack's ability to hold a variety of sizes and their space-saving features make them a valuable addition to any toolbox. Plus, the affordable price of just $12.99 for the set makes this rack an unbeatable value. The JSP Manufacturing Red and Black 16 Tool Standard Wrench Organizer is an excellent choice for anyone looking to organize their wrenches efficiently without breaking the bank. With each tray holding up to 16 standard wrenches, it's ideal for both home garages and professional workshops. The heavy-duty plastic construction ensures durability, making these organizers capable of handling the wear and tear of regular tool use. Measuring at 12.5 inches in length and 7.5 inches in width, the organizer fits comfortably into most toolboxes, or can be mounted on the wall for easy access. Its flexibility allows installation with or without mounting hardware, making it versatile depending on your setup. Whether you choose to use screws or double-sided tape, the organizer stays securely in place. The red and black color scheme adds a sleek, professional look to your workspace, and at $9.98 for a 2-pack, the value is hard to beat. While the organizers do not include mounting tape or screws, the easy setup and organization, they provide more than make up for it. In short, if you're looking for an affordable and effective way to organize your wrenches, the JSP Manufacturing 16-tool standard wrench organizer is a solid choice. Thumbs up from us. If you're looking for an efficient and space-saving solution to organize your tools, the OEMTOOLS 22217 wrench organizer is a must-have for your toolkit. With its magnetic vertical design, this organizer securely holds up to 40 wrenches, keeping them neatly in place during transport and use. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this organizer will streamline your workspace and improve your workflow by allowing quick access and easy identification of tools. The organizer's slotted design accommodates a wide range of wrench sizes and types, offering versatility that's ideal for both SAE and metric wrenches. Measuring 16.6 inches in length and 1.9 inches in height, it provides ample space for your tools without taking up too much room. The magnetic attachment feature ensures that the organizer stays securely mounted on any ferrous surface, making it perfect for toolboxes, walls, or metal workstations. Made with high-quality plastic, the OEMTOOLS 22217 is durable and built to last, ensuring that it can withstand regular use in demanding environments. This wrench organizer offers a simple yet effective solution for keeping your tools organized and easily accessible. If you're looking for a reliable and convenient way to organize your wrenches, the OEMTOOLS 22217 is an excellent choice. Next up, let's talk about the OLSA Tools 12-piece magnetic wrench organizer, a solid addition to any toolbox. This organizer is designed to hold both SAE and metric wrenches, making it an excellent solution for all your wrench storage needs. The magnetic backing ensures the organizer stays securely in place, whether you're storing it in a drawer or attaching it to the side of a tool chest. This means no more worrying about your wrenches sliding around during transport or use. Measuring just 1 1/8 inches thick, this wrench rack is slim enough to fit in most toolboxes, but still offers enough space to store up to 12 wrenches in a neat and organized manner. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the OLSA Tools Organizer will help streamline your workflow by keeping your wrenches easily accessible and visible. The durable powder-coated steel construction ensures that this organizer can withstand the rigors of daily use, providing you with long-lasting value. Plus, the foam backing helps protect your tool surfaces from scratches. Overall, the OLSA Tools 12-piece magnetic wrench organizer is an excellent choice for those looking to keep their tools in order without sacrificing space or convenience. The OLSA Tools 12-piece wrench organizer is a highly functional and durable storage solution that deserves attention from any professional or DIY enthusiast. This wrench rack is designed to hold up to 12 wrenches, with the versatility to fit both SAE and metric sizes. Its magnetic backing allows it to securely attach to any ferrous surface, making it a great option for both toolboxes and workbenches. The rack's simple yet effective design ensures that your wrenches remain in place during transport, providing easy access whenever you need them. With its compact size, measuring just 7.38 inches in length and 5 inches in height, the OLSA Tools Organizer fits perfectly in most toolbox drawers without taking up too much space. Its sturdy powder-coated steel construction guarantees that this organizer will withstand years of use, even in demanding work environments. Unlike other wrench organizers, this model features an open-face design, making it easy to see and grab the right tool quickly, which can save valuable time during projects. The OLSA Tools Wrench Organizer provides a reliable, no-fuss solution for keeping your wrenches neatly arranged and within easy reach, all while offering excellent value for its price. In short, if you're looking for a tool tray that combines reliability, functionality, and space-saving design, the OLSA Tools 12-piece wrench organizer is a must-have.